news into your own video. Hi guys, what's going on? Too blessed here, and I just want to appreciate you for taking out the time for checking out this video. I want to say I really appreciate it, and I'm not taking it for granted at all. And if this is your first time of coming to my channel and you're not yet subscribed, or maybe you've even been coming to my channel and you've not yet subscribed, come on, please click the link, click the red button down below, subscribe to my channel so you can get updates of other videos that I'm doing here online, and I really appreciate that so much. And don't forget to like, share this video, and drop a comment down below. I don't even mind, just say hi, just drop something down below in the comment box, just even hi, just one single word alone, hi. I really appreciate that. Please, so don't forget to do that. So like I said, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can take our CNN news that is trending right now, and you can turn it into your own video, upload it on YouTube, and because the topic is trending and people are searching for it, and because YouTube has a higher rank online already, so once they search for the topic, it's going to bring it on page 1 of Google, and people are going to see that in a video, and they're going to click on it and they're going to watch it. So that's what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to show you how you can turn um, CNN news into video. So guys, we're going to click this link right now to go to cnn.com, cnnedition.com. So here's the CNN channel right now. You see where we are right now. This is the CNN channel. So you see all kinds of news right now is going on here right now. And because these news are trending, people are searching for all this news right now. Whatever news you want to go into, you can find it all on CNN. You want to go into US politics, business, health, entertainment, style, travel, sport, video, whatsoever, CNN has it. So just pick the niche that you want to do here right now, and you can even do 4, 5, 10 videos in one day with this idea that I'm giving you right now, and you can keep growing your channel with all of those things. So guys, let's pick this risk, step risk. So let's just pick this right now. Let's pick this right now. What we just need to get right now, what we want to get right now, is to get the URL of this news channel right now. So let's just copy the URL. You see, we just copy. Okay, let me see if I can take this up a little bit right now. Can I take this? Can I take this up a little bit? So what you just need to do is copy the URL of this channel right now. Copy it, and the software we're going to be using is called InDesign. InDesign is what we're going to be using to create this video right now. So guys, I'm just giving you this idea. So you're saying, I don't want to show my face on camera, I don't like to show my face on camera, or I don't even have idea of what kind of video I can do. That is why I'm giving you this right now. And guys, if you go on YouTube right now, search for any trending topic, you see people are already doing this thing I'm showing you right now. So there is no big deal about it. There's no big deal about it. People are already doing it. We see channels that are getting tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, even millions of thousands. It depends on how the topic you pick is trending online. That's what's going to determine how much people are going to, how far your video is going to go, and how much people are going to search for it. So guys, I'm going to drop a link below this software down below right now, so you can go and pick it up. You can use this software for free. You don't have to pay all this 30, 20, or even $10 that they're charging for this video right now. So you can just pick this video for free, and what you're just going to do right now, you don't click the Facebook news, you don't click the Instagram story, you don't click the Facebook feed, you don't do this video. Want to do is YouTube want to do, because we want to upload this on YouTube. I want to use it to get we want to use it to grow our YouTube channel and all of those things. So guys, that's what we're going to do. So here we click YouTube right now. So you see they're giving us so many templates that we can use right now. You can click any of these templates right now. Anyone that you see that you like in this template is what you're going to click. So let's use this. I don't think I've used this before. Let's use this template right now. So once you click that template, it's going to bring it. If you want to see this video, it's going to play it for you right now, but I don't want to wait because I don't want this video to be too long. Just let's use this template. It's loading up right now. You want to play, so that's it guys. So here is what it's going to bring you. See, here is if you want to use article, you're gonna copy your article here. But I've already did a video about how you can use article. So if you not watch that video, go and check out the video before this one, so you can see how you can turn your article into video, and I'm also going to put a link below how you can go and get tens of thousands of articles right now that you can keep doing videos. Like you can do 10 20 videos in a day because those articles are not there and they are in different niches. So guys, you don't have any excuse to say you don't have an idea of video that you want to do. Pick up the software and begin to convert articles into videos. So guys, this is what we're going to do. We're going to use URL here. So all we just need to do is that URL that will copy, just paste it here. The CNN URL that will copy, we just paste it here and we'll say fetch. And it's going to fetch us articles on that channel. So you see, it's going to fetch us article. I don't want to take too much time. That's why I don't want to do my research to start searching for articles and all that. So maybe you should take a little bit of time to see articles that are really going to be, because since this one that I picked is like a video that doesn't really have much articles. So let's go, this thing, come on, enter the URL. They want us to subscribe. No, politics. Let's go to our business. Guys. I don't want this video for too long. That's why I'm watching right now. But I just want you to quickly know that you can turn any article, into video. So let's see this video on Emperor turn into mass politics. So okay, I think this one is an article. So let's copy this. Let's copy this URL instead of that one that will copy. Let's copy this one and let's take it. Let's take this one. Let's take this one. Let's take it back. Let's take it back. Let's go and place it there. Let's put this one here. Let's fetch for this one. Let's fetch for another control. Wow. This thing is still giving us, still not giving us a good article. But let me just let you know. So guys, let's just pick all this. Let's pick. So what you gotta do is just pick all this article. Of course, you can have more articles. That is not fetching a proper article for us on that listing. So, but notwithstanding, that is not going to stop us from doing what we want to do. So let's just go. Just look at right here. Click story. Go to story to board. So it's going to turn that news into an article for us, into a video for us right now. You can see how fast this is, and that's actually going to be short, but that's why you can go and pick a URL. You can go to bbc.com, aljazeera.com, or if you are into a niche, you can go and pick any blogger URL and put it right here. You can see I'm doing the same thing right now, guys. I'm doing the same thing right now. You can see the video that I show in my previous video. I have videos that are doing the same thing that I'm showing you right now. Let me do the benefit of keto, diet. Benefit of keto diet. I don't know if I'm going to be ranking for this topic right now, but let me just search right now. Guys, this video, I don't want it to be too long, but I'm just showing you what you can do right now, what you can go and start doing right now without nothing stopping you. You can do this in the morning, in the noon, anytime. You can do this right now, guys. Man, you can start doing this right now. So I'm gonna put a link below, the software down below. So go get the software, start doing video right now, turning articles into video. You can see this is the article. It's still loading up right now, 100%. So you see it has made the video for us right away. There's no wasting time. This is the video. You're gonna see the image that is gonna suggest image for us. You can see this video is how many minutes. This is just 14 seconds. This video is just 14 seconds. You can make it in 1 minute, 2 minutes, and all that. There's no headline for the video, so I forgot to put an headline. So that's why it's not giving us any headline right now. So guys, this is the video. There's no much of wasting time. And all you just need to do is to export. Click export here. You see, this is the video is giving us. You see, that's the video. all the videos. So you just click export here right now. It's saving the video right now. Click export and it's going to download the video for you. And you come to